Alright guys, let's do number 29. An electron, and I'll try not to screw it up like on the last video. I know I forgot to read the word position. I'm very aware of it. I'm very embarrassed, and right now I just want to get these videos out of the way, so I'll redo them later. Anyways, an electron in a cathode ray tube accelerates from a speed of 2. I'm going to write that down, times 10 to the 4th power meters per second. I'm not going to worry about the significant figures. So, over the course of... So, it changed from this speed to this speed over the course of 1.50 centimeters. And that's a cathode tube. So, that's... Wow, that's a lot. And I want to know what the interval it took from... Oh yeah, that's what it's asking. Okay, good. So in what time interval does the electron travel this? So, well, when you have two speeds in there, that means we're going to use this equation. The change of x, as I like to write it, is v, the final plus the initial, divided by 2, take t, and it's just the way I like to write my equation. So the x initial, we're just going to call that 0. The x is going to be 1.50 centimeters, so let's write that down. So actually, let's do this. Wait, what is it asking? Oh, the time. Yeah, so let's take that divided by... Okay, so let's take that 1.50 centimeters. Or I'm going to write, since the whole thing is going to be 10 to the 2, 10 to the whatever power, I'm going to change this as 10 to the negative 2 power. Normally I wouldn't put the units, but I'm going to make an exception here. I mean, I do put the units, but I don't put the centa. I just leave it off usually. Since I presume you guys already know how to convert. So, and this goes from 2 times 10 to the 4th power added to 6 times 10 to the 6 meters per second. And let me erase that. So the time interval it takes is 4.98 nano, or I'm just going to leave it at 10 to the negative 9 seconds. So that's how long it took for the electron to change its speed from 2 times 10 to the 4 meters per second to 10 to the 10.6 meters per second over the course of 1.50 centimeters. And part B is, what is its acceleration? Well, if that's the time interval, then I'm going to take the final minus the initial divided by the time. The final is this is the initial. Take the difference between those. I'm sure you guys can do that. I mean, you're not that retarded there. And then, well, I was, but anyway, the acceleration. All right, guys. The solution is going to be 1.2 times 10 to the... Holy fuck, those freaking neighbors with their base. Fuck, that's annoying. Meters per second square. And I'm going to keep going, guys.